Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we're going to be talking about the top 3 laptops that you can buy under 60 to 65,000 rupees in India. So starting with the Aspire 7 from Acer, it's a really great laptop when it comes to price to performance. You'll get Ryzen 5500U in this one, which is quite same as the 4600H that you'll find in most of the laptops that comes under 70,000 rupees, and the performance is actually really great, to be honest. And talking about the graphics card, you'll get 1650, which is again a really good graphics card. So if you want to play games at like medium or high settings, then 1650 is a really great graphics card. So talking about the pricing, it's 57,000, but this is the Intel version. Just don't buy the Intel version because it's just simply not worth it. Just go for the AMD version, which comes with 5500U, and yeah, that's it. So now the next one is again from Acer. It's a Nitro 5, and Nitro 5 is a really great laptop. So on the number second we have Nitro 5 from again Acer. It's a really great laptop when it comes to like mid-range gaming laptops. It has almost like everything you need. Like when it comes to upgradability, you'll get so many options. When it comes to upgradability, Nitro 5 is a really great one. Like you can upgrade basically anything you want. And talking about the processor, you'll get Ryzen 4600H, which is again, it's a really great processor. And talking about the graphics card, you'll get the same 1650 in this one. And talking about the pricing, it's priced at 67,000, but in the market you can get it for around 65,000, which is like slightly expensive than Acer Aspire 7. It has some really great things also, like the keyboard is better than Aspire 7, this one. And again, in terms of upgradability, Nitro 5 is like better. And on the number one we have IdeaPad Gaming 3 from Lenovo, and hands down this is the best laptop that you can get under rupees 70,000. It comes for like 61,000, and not even under like 70,000. It's costs around 61,000, which is slightly less expensive than Nitro 5. And why it's number one? Because it has 120 hertz display, and under 60,000 rupees, 120 hertz display, I think it's really a bang for your buck. And talking about the specs, it comes with the same 4600H and 1650, and you'll get some options, like if you want to get the hard drive version with the SSD, you can get that. You can get the SSD version, and there are so many options. And if you buy the SSD version, you'll get the empty slot to put another hard drive or SSD if you want. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, that's about it. So guys, if you just simply like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. That'll be really helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.